So let's start with making the magic ring. I know a lot of people are struggling with making the magic ring, so I found this easiest way to make the magic ring with no hook. So put your yarn on the ground like this, and then we're gonna make a loop just like that. So this is our first loop, this is the yarn tail, and this is gonna be the working yarn. So the working yarn is on the tail like this. Now I want to make the second loop, so pull through the first loop and make the second loop with the working yarn. So this is the second loop, this is the first loop, the yarn tail, and the working yarn. Now we're gonna make the third loop with the working yarn. So get the working yarn from here and pull it through the second loop. This is gonna be the third loop. It looks like this. Now bring your hook, which is 2mm, and insert it into the third loop, like this. Now I'm gonna get the working yarn with my index finger, like that, and hold your work, hold the yarn tail, which is here, and the magic ring, the first loop, with your thumb and your middle finger, like that. You see? Just like this. Okay, now I want to chain. For making a chain, first get your hook under the yarn, the working yarn, and then take it behind, like this. We call that a yarn over. And then pull it through the loop, like this. This was a chain. Now I'm gonna make another chain, so hold them with my thumb and middle finger, yarn over, like this, get the yarn and pull it through the loop. You always have one loop on your hook. So these are two chains. You see it has a V shape in here. So first chain and second chain. Now we want to make a double crochet. For making a double crochet, we need to yarn over like that. Now we have two loops on our hook. Then I'm gonna insert my hook inside of the magic ring. Look at that, inside of there, not inside of this, inside of there, and yarn over, pull it through the magic ring. Now I'm gonna have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops on my hook, and then pull through 2 loops. This was a double crochet. You see it has a V shape from the top, and it looks like that. Now I want to make a treble crochet. So for making a treble crochet, just yarn over twice. You see there are 3 loops on my hook, and insert your hook inside of the magic ring. You see it has 2 strings in here and 1 string in the behind. So insert your hook inside of the magic ring, get the yarn, pull it through the magic ring. Now I have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. this was a treble crochet. So we had 2 chains in here, 1 double crochet, which is this one, and 1 treble crochet inside our magic ring. For testing your magic ring, to be sure that your magic ring is made correctly, you should pull the yarn tail, which is here. So pull it, and you see the magic ring is gonna get smaller, and when you pull that, it's gonna be bigger. This is the magic ring test. Now let's keep crocheting. We want to crochet 2 more double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook inside of the magic ring, get the working yarn and pull through the magic ring. Make 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 1 double crochet, again, yarn over, insert into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. So now we have 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 in here after the treble crochet. Now I want to chain 3. So 1, 2 and 3. You see, these are my chains. So when you look at the behind of the chain, you will see 1 loop behind each chain. So from the top it looks like a V, and from the behind you can see these little loops behind the chain. Now I want to insert my hook into the loop. So this was the first chain that we made. This is the third one, the second one, and the first one. I'm going to insert my hook into the loop, which is behind the first chain, and yarn over, pull through the loop, and again pull through. So it's going to be the ear, the first ear. Now we want to make 3 double crochets. So yarn over first, insert the hook, pull through, make 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. First double crochet, again yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Second double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So these are 3 double crochets. We're gonna make the second ear. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook in the loop behind the first chain, like that. Yarn over, pull through, and just pull through. Okay, now we want to make 2 double crochets. So yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, the first one. Let's make the second one. Yarn over, pull through the magic ring, make 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So these are 2 double crochets. Now we want to make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook inside the magic ring, pull through the magic ring, make 4 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So the treble crochet. Now let's make 1 double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, and now in the end we want to make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the magic ring. Now make 3 loops just like the double crochet, but now we want to pull through 3 loops like that. Now we want to close the magic ring, so pull the yarn tail, which is here, pull it until you make it close. Now insert your hook inside the first V shape that you see in here. So I'm going to insert it and make a slip a stitch with the working yarn. So this is a slip a stitch, pull through and pull through again. So this is our cat. You can pull the yarn tail to close it. Now we can cut the yarn. Pull this loop. And now we can hide the yarn from here, so insert your hook, get this tail, and bring it out from here. Now we need some knots. One, two, and 3. And now you can cut them like that. This is our little kitty head. I'm gonna use a glue gun, sew a little bit of that, and in here. Now just put it on the glue and connect them. I hope you enjoy this fun crochet project, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video so other absolute beginners can use this tutorial. Thank you.